Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this very easy, glowy, summery makeup look using all drugstore products. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Moisturizer, I will be using my favorite, which is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. For primer, I will be using the Milani Prime Light, and that is already a glowy primer, and I love it, especially for this look. And for foundation, of course, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in shade 205. I'm going to be applying that with my fingers, and I'm going to blend that with a beauty sponge. I want this look to be very glowy but at the same time very natural. So for my concealer, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Natural, and I'm going to apply that on my dark circles. And again, I'm not going above and beyond because I want this look to be very natural and glowy. To add some dimension to my face, I will be using the Wet n Wild Duo and the Contour Stick in shade Medium Tan, and I'm just going to slightly contour my face. To blend everything out, I will be using my Real Technique blending brush, and I'm going to blend away. You can also use a sponge, whichever you're more comfortable with. I also added some rose water to blend this out so it could be easier to blend. And for my blush, I will be using the e.l.f. blush in shade Shy, and this is definitely not shy because this is very pigmented. Okay, you can easily look like a clown with this, so be careful with it. Okay, so now eyebrows. Okay, I look like a different person. I'm going to use the same Dulce de Leche palette, I know, again, and I'm going to apply the bronzing shade into the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm just creating dimensions to my eyelid. And again, we want this look to be very simple and subtle. That's why I'm using the same bronzing powder, so it can look kind of like the same, and also you're saving money. And for my eyelid, I'm using the Almay Eyeshadow in shade Own It. Own it, own it, own it. But before we apply this, I actually spray some rose water on the brush to get more pigmentation. You know, I always do this. This is an amazing tip that you need to try. And of course, you can go and back and forth until you get the consistent that you want on your eyelid. So if you want it like very bright, then you can go ahead and apply a few more layers. The outer corners of my eyes, I went ahead with like a detail brush and I applied that shade on my bottom lash line, nothing too crazy. And for the star of the show, which I absolutely love this highlight, is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I love this highlight. I applied it in the inner corners of my eyes, and I also applied it as my highlight. And I absolutely love this highlighter. But seriously, can we like appreciate this glow for only $2? Okay. Excellent. Okay, I am shocked. I don't even know that's how you say it, but I'm very impressed by this highlighter. Drugstore, definitely recommend it. If you don't have it, go grab it. For my lashes, I will be using the Maybelline Lash Sensation, and I absolutely love this mascara. I know I'm saying I love everything that I'm using, but I actually do love everything I'm using on this video, because if I don't, then I wouldn't be making the video. Anyways, my point is that this mascara is amazing, very affordable. Why did I not try this before? I don't know. But you apply a few coats and you're ready to go with your big long lashes. And of course, if you want to use falsies, you're more than welcome to. And I'm not sure what was going on with my camera, but as you can see, it was shaking. I don't know if because it didn't handle my cuteness. But for my lips, I'm going to be using the Rimmel lip pencil in shade Natural, and I'm going to outline my lips just to make it look bigger, and that way it can last longer. For my actual lipstick, I will be using Almay in shades More Shade Butter. Oh no, it's Pink Light. Yes, Pink Light. And I'm going to list all the products down below, as always. And to set all my makeup, I'm going to spray some rose water, and we are finito. We are done. I hope you enjoy this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah!